Welcome. This video will help you navigate the annual affidavit of residency process for special enrollment. Let's first start by introducing the Hill family. We have Mom, Dad, 10th grader Andy, new kindergartner Faye, and Grandma Stella. The Hill family currently resides with Grandma Stella. She is considered the district resident because it is her name that appears on the current lease or mortgage. All documents listed below, along with this AOR form notarized, must be emailed specifically to residencyinfo@psdr3.org or dropped off in person in our enrollment Dropbox at the above address. Let's review the required documents. First are the student documents, birth certificate, and immunization records. Second is this AOR form, the affidavit of residency notarized. Next, from our district resident, in this case Grandma Stella, we need a copy of her driver's license or government-issued ID, and one item from List A. From one of the parents or legal guardians, we also need a copy of their driver's license or government-issued ID, and two documents from List B. For our district resident, Grandma Stella's documents, we need her current driver's license or government-issued ID. Next, from List A, we must pick from only one of the following in Grandma's name: her current mortgage statement, her unexpired lease agreement with the signature page, her current paid real estate tax receipt from the previous year, not the bill, we will need the receipt if you choose this option, or the declaration page of her current homeowner's insurance policy. The documents we need from a parent or legal guardian are: first, a driver's license or government-issued ID. Next, you must pick two items from the List B options. You may choose from a utility bill such as electric, gas, internet, water, or sewer, dated within the last 30 days, your car insurance declaration page, dated within the last 30 days, your paycheck stub, dated within the last 30 days, your bank statement, dated within the last 30 days, or any social services correspondence, Social Security benefits statement, also dated within the last 30 days. We are unable to accept any disconnection, past due notices, or occupancy permits as they are not acceptable forms of proof of residency. Please provide only the required documents listed above. Before we begin, let's recap on the term district resident. This is the person whose name is on the lease agreement or mortgage. In this example, the district resident is Grandma Stella, since it is her name that appears on the current lease agreement. You can always refer to the information in the black bars above each section to know who needs to fill in that particular section of information. The first section of the AOR will require the following parent or legal guardian and student information. List all of the students you are either enrolling for the first time or re-registering. Let's start with our first child, Faye Hill, and she will be enrolling in Pattonville for the first time into kindergarten. I'll write in her date of birth and which school she will be enrolling into. Next, we have our second child, Andy Hill. He is going into 10th grade this upcoming year. I'll write in his date of birth, and Pattonville has one high school, so we write in high school. Parent or legal guardian first and last name, parent or legal guardian previous address prior to coming to Pattonville School District with Grandma Stella, parent or legal guardian phone number, parent or legal guardian email address, the amount of time that the Hill family lived at their previous address before moving in with the district resident, Grandma Stella. Write in the date that the Hill family moved in with Grandma. And here we will add a brief explanation as to why the Hill family is now living with Grandma Stella. The second portion, as written in the black bar, is to be filled out by Grandma, the district resident. The district resident's first and last name, Stella Hill, the district resident's home address, the district resident's cell phone number, the district resident's relationship to the students being enrolled, she is their grandmother, And now I will list all of the individuals who are living in the current home with the district resident. That includes Grandma Stella, Mom, Dad, Andy, and Faye. If there was a non-school age child at home or someone living with the family not associated with this form, like an aunt or an uncle, I would add them to this list here. For this last section, we can see in the black bar it is to be filled out again by the district resident only if residing in an apartment. In this example, the Hill family is residing with Grandma Stella in an apartment. The district resident will write in the apartment complex name, the name of the leasing manager, and the leasing office phone number. On the second page, refer to the information in the black bars at the top of the first 3 sections. This page must be completed with a notary. The first section is for the signature of the parent or legal guardian. The second section is for the signature of the district resident, Grandma Stella. The third section is only for the notary to fill out. And the last section is only for the Pattonville Student Services office to fill out. To complete this page, one of the parents or legal guardians and Grandma Stella, our district resident, will need to visit the notary together. Both the parent or legal guardian and Grandma Stella must bring their government-issued IDs when meeting with the notary. Once you have all required AOR documents compiled, you may either take pictures of each document and email to residencyinfo@psdr3.org, or you may drop off copies of your documents at the Pattonville Learning Center. The information for both options is listed at the top of the AOR form. If you send your documents via email, please do not take pictures from afar. Please do open and flatten each document and make certain all text is legible and not blurry. As well, make sure you are in a well-lit area. Please do have all required documents compiled when submitting them to residencyinfo@psdr3.org, and be sure to add the name of one of your children in the subject line. If you have any missing or outdated documents, you will receive an email from residencyinfo@psdr3.org. As well, if you have any questions regarding the AOR, please submit them via email to residencyinfo@psdr3.org.